Historic castles to kings and queens and sprawling acres of greenery, this is one of the most regal towns in England. It's located an hour from London. Welcome to
Windsor.
We're going to show you why you need to come to this English town. We'll be spending 3 nights at the Fairmont Windsor Park discovering if this posh hotel in town is family luxury or just overpriced. We're Amma and Raj and we're travelling the world with our twin boys Rain and Zane. We've just returned to England after our summer in Europe. It's now time to explore the English countryside. Join us as I share a place I used to visit as a little girl with Raj and our boys. Let's get checked into our home for the next 3 nights. We arrived at 2:30 p.m, but our room wasn't quite ready yet. We therefore decided to explore the grounds. As we were looking for something to do, we stumbled upon an activity which blew our toddler's mind.
You see the pony? Pony! Sure. Think they, you need to just, if you want to, there's no pressure.
A little bit later, our room was ready. Let's get settled in. Hopefully, the room is large enough for 4 of us. Our room here at the Fairmont Windsor is absolutely stunning. I'll give you a quick room tour. As you walk in, on the left, you have the beautiful bathroom. You have these wardrobes here behind me. Over on the right as you walk in. We have teas, we have an espresso machine, which is and then it's a pretty simple room. We have 2 beds and we have 2 cribs, and usually there's not enough room for 2 cribs, but this room is very spacious.
It's really nice, very opulent. Exuberating opulence.
First thing we like to do when we get to a hotel is to find a park. We've heard the park at the Fairmont is better than your average park. Let's judge for ourselves. Job, buddy. Whoopsie. Uh-oh. Whoa. Those people were right. The park is very fun. Raj and I found it very enjoyable too because it's surrounded by acres of greenery. I think this is some sort of tree house.
A tree house.
Let's go inside.
Come on.
There's really nothing to it. It's just a...
Where was it go?
I don't know why they put this here. Very interesting.
The main house was built in 1815. It was converted into a hotel in 1991, and it was just recently re-renovated in 2021 of November. That was when it was taken over by the Fairmont.
Are you ready for story time?
Here we go!
All the milk, all the orange juice, all of Daddy's beer.
We're here at Moreish for dinner tonight. It's a restaurant within the Fairmont Windsor Park. And the service here, just overall in the property, it's extremely good. We haven't experienced service like this in a very long time. So we're just having dinner. We just ordered it. These 2 are hungry. Poor guys. Are you hungry? It's coming, it's coming. Zany, you hungry? Have some bread. Oh, is it hot?
Chicken hot.
Oh. Is it yummy? They have chicken and fries. Very hot, but I think they like it.
Well, it's a sea bream with a tomato viage.
Oh.
I think I'm saying that right?
Fancy.
I think it's a virgin tomato is what Google says. Fish is cooked perfectly, and the tomatoes are very nice.
And I got the fillet steak. It comes with some accompaniments. Very flavorful. There's a truffle sauce on it. The beef is tender and it's cooked perfectly to my liking. It's a very good dish. 4 full bellies later, it's time to get some rest, ready for a full day of adventure. Good morning, we're here at Moreish, starting our day with breakfast at the restaurant. We have our breakfast included, which is really nice. So if you are coming here, I recommend you get breakfast included, otherwise it's £42 per person. They have a breakfast buffet where they have full English breakfast, fruit, cereals, bagels, cold meats, cheeses, and they also have a la carte menu where you can order certain things, and we're having a vegetable omelette today, and these two are starting their day with Weetabix and probably finishing with something sweet like a waffle. Why not, eh? Ready for the day ahead, we made our way to Windsor Great Park, located 5 minutes away from the hotel. This is actually pretty fun. They're both having a really nice time. It's not that busy. You have to book online. You can't buy tickets here.
A
So,
few slides for us too.
yeah, they're big slides. I don't even want to go on them. They look very scary.
Wait.
Come on, quick. After a very exciting morning, it was time to head to Windsor Town to see the castle. Maybe we'll get a glimpse of the king. It's not exactly exciting for the boys, but let's see how they do. There's loads of pubs and restaurants here, and I feel like if you were to come and visit here, you get more of a local experience. Is it as amazing as it looks?
It's very good. We have a lot of donuts back in the US. And it's fluffy, the glaze tastes distinctive. It's very nice.
What do you think, Rain? Do you like it?
Take a big bite.
Do you like it?
Oh, let me go get some.
And then we also have the Bruno Mars, which looks like it's a Kinder Bueno donut. It's fluffy, it's chocolatey. I don't know if there's anything in the middle. Maybe I'm not there yet, but I might actually prefer just the glaze. It's fluffier than this one. The donuts are pretty good here, but actually the glaze, the classic, might be my favorite out of these two. After eating sugar and becoming restless in the stroller, it was time to go for a long walk. No, literally, the long walk. The long walk is a perfect place if you just want to have a picnic. You can pick some things up from the grocery store. That's what I used to do with my family when we were younger, like a day out on the weekends.
Yeah, I mean, it's such a long walk. But yeah, it's a great day, just to come out here and spend some time with the family, have a picnic. I wish we were to bring some food so we could have sat down underneath the tree, enjoyed it a little bit more.
Yeah, I recommend it. And you can get into the castle as well. You'll have to buy tickets in advance. We just have toddlers. I mean, it's not worth it at this point going in the castle. I've actually been in the castle with school trips and things like that. It was time to head back to the Fairmont for some R&R. R&R looks a little different with toddlers. There's no adult relaxation time, but we wouldn't trade it for anything. A quick bite later, we headed to bed. We're just about to check out from the Fairmont Windsor Park. I'm actually sad to be leaving. We had such a nice time.
Yeah, this is my favorite hotel out of like the 20 hotels we stayed in all summer. Definitely recommend.
Yeah, so do I. I think what makes it a standout hotel is the service. They're very polite. They greet you. They greet your children. So that's what makes this hotel unique and a standout. And the food is excellent too.
Yeah, just the quality of everything over here, how well they take care of the grounds, how clean everything is. It's absolutely a 5-star hotel.
Yeah. So if you are traveling to England for a vacation or you just want a staycation, we really recommend coming to Fairmont Windsor Park or just visiting Windsor in general. There's tons to do for the kids. So if you like this video, we'd really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow.